Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caela. This is my dog, Snoopy. And today, sorry, my hair is messed up. She's not so happy about that. Okay, today we're going to be talking about how deaf or hard of hearing people work. And I worked in a restaurant before and how I helped myself being deaf. Okay, she just wants the spotlight, you know? It's hard out here. Okay, so the first thing is I hate wearing my hearing aids, so I did not wear them. So this is what I did to help myself, so it can maybe help you guys. And so you don't have to wear your hearing aids if you don't feel comfortable like I did not. So first thing, when you're talking to someone, you always face them, face first. Just some like helpful hints is just I lip read. I don't know if you lip read, just anything, just face them. Also, can actually be like helpful hints for people who are hearing and just want to help trying to interact with deaf people. Always face them, always look at them directly in their eye, and that will help. Then what I did is that I told my coworkers that I am deaf. I cannot hear you, so if I'm behind you and you're trying to talk to me and I don't respond, it's not me being rude, it's just that I don't know what you're saying. So like those are like simple ways. Also, if you have like a desk job or stuff like that, personally my own audiologist told me that like if I want to go to like a restaurant and like wearing my hearing aids, I can pick up a lot of the background noise. Always sit like where the background noise is behind. So imagine Snoopy like back here trying to talk to me if she was a person. Always face behind the background noise and it will help you. So if you have a desk job, try to get a desk or just position yourself where people are behind you so your hearing aids will not pick up that much feedback. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you do sign, obviously tell your employer, tell your coworkers, just for them to help you. And yeah, thank you. I know Snoopy was in this video the whole time, so bye.